I went broke, I still be the GOAT. I ain't religious, but I know Jesus and not on the Pope. If you wanna hang, I'll show you the ropes.
Hello, welcome back. We're back in this thing. As you can see, we have something different today. I'll be doing a Wingstop mukbang. Y'all, first off, I've only been in Wingstop like a few times. So, this is my first time trying their boneless wings and their chicken tenders. So I got a 30-piece, 10 garlic parm, and then 10 just hot. Some celery, a large fry, and then a 2-piece chicken tender, lemon pepper flavored, and then some blue cheese. I'm gonna say my grace right quick. I ain't even finna lie to y'all. I'm hungry. And I don't really know what we're gonna talk about today, so we're gonna see as we go. For a second, I thought this was ranch. I was finna be upset. So I didn't grab a fork for my boneless wings. And I don't ever get boneless wings. But like I said, I want to try it and make it an actual mukbang. So and why are they called boneless wings? They're just chicken nuggets. Am I wrong? But they're just flavored chicken nuggets. It's okay. Their fries, of course. I like their fries personally. But some people don't. I like them. They're a different, style of fries. If you've never had garlic parm from Wingstop, try it. I put you on, bro. I'm putting y'all on. But I don't know, I wanted to try something different with my video styles. I should do a story time with this. About how I manifested my sugar daddy. Because we actually went on a dinner date to Wingstop. I don't think I want to tell that story. Tell that story. I don't know why I got my fan on, making my food cold. And I also don't know why I got all this food. I'm gonna try this tender. So this is the lemon pepper. I'm glad I didn't get any wings lemon pepper. Because that lemon pepper is more lemony. Lemony? Is that a word? It's more lemony. Lemony, that's the word. Lemony than like lemon pepper should be, in my opinion. Like, if you're into that strong lemon flavor, then you'll like them, but that just tastes like lemon. And lemon and chicken can go together if it's prepared correctly. Yeah, I don't think I like those. And the real reason I break my wings instead of bite off of them, because I have braces and I just got used to breaking them off with my hands, because like With braces, I would have did that. I would have popped her ball here. And I got my chicken well done because, y'all, I'm picky. If it's like the slightest bit of like red, like a darker color, I won't eat the chicken. So like I had to ask for them to get it well done because if it's like not crunchy enough and it's like more of a slimy, like a slimy skin to it, I won't eat it. I really didn't have to get these buffalo things. I really could have just got a 10-piece and called it a day. But it's too late now. And I'm not even gonna cap. I'm already full. Well, I ate 2 boneless wings, a bite of a chicken tender, and 1 wing, and some fries. I don't know. I just... See, I don't like talking with my mouth full, so I don't even know why I decided to do this. But speaking of being full, in February, I'm getting back on track, like being intentional with my eating. Because right now, my only goal when I eat is just to at least eat 1 meal a day. Because I'll be hungry, but if I don't feel like getting up, I won't eat. Or I'm at work, I won't eat. Because I'll be too busy doing other stuff. Yeah, I don't be hungry. So I try to eat 1 meal a day. And then after that detox, I think the detox really did it because I was already barely eating, but like the detox, I was able to keep the weight off. Like I've only gained 1 pound back. And I've been able to keep it off, so I really think it's because I haven't been eating. Which, you know, is a good thing, I guess. Maybe. I mean, I guess, but not really because I do need to fuel my body with nutrients. But you know, even if this video makes no sense, if it's terrible, I'm still uploading it because I did not pay for this food to not like the video, okay? And honestly, I'm probably not even making sense in just talking about any and everything because I'm a little lit, but that's okay. That is perfectly fine. Yeah. I don't see how people order all this food and actually sit here and eat it all on camera because I'm full. Like, at this point, I'm just eating to make my video at least like 10 minutes. Yeah. But yeah, comment video ideas if you want because I have a lot in a ton. A lot in a ton, what? But I have a lot of ideas. But maybe like if you guys give me ideas, I can like put a twist on my idea, like switch it up, you know? Like I can have a conversation, but it could be over food. I can have a conversation and it be me driving or a vlog or something like that. Because I do plan on doing vlogs, but like I don't go nowhere but to work, and y'all not finna rob me to work. What? That's lame. I don't do nothing. Even before Corona, I didn't do nothing. So I don't know. I think that's my thing. Like I just like sitting down and talking because like at the end of the day, I like to talk about stuff that people don't really necessarily like to either talk about, or they just don't want to engage in conversation because they feel targeted. And it's like, why? I don't know. I just like having interesting conversations. Like, why don't we talk about systematic racism or racial disparity within the criminal justice system? Or just how you self-sabotage, or how you're toxic. How it's okay to put yourself first. Like, I know these are all videos I did, but it's like things like that I like to talk about. And like I still want to talk about them, but clearly I need to put like a twist on them or something. Because after a while just sitting there listening to me talk, I'll be like, bruh, what you're saying is good, but you ain't doing nothing. Like, I don't know. And then like my video like space is limited because my mama is still not on board with YouTube. I don't think she ever will be. And honestly, that's perfectly okay because at the end of the day, it's for me. And that's all that matters. So, that's what I'm doing. Doing what I want to do, because I saw this thing yesterday. It's like, you might as well do what you want to do because we all die. And of course, I already knew that, but just hearing it said like that, it's like, you're right. Why am I not doing what I want to do? Because whether it be tomorrow, today, 70 years from now, like, I'm still going to die, so I might as well do what I want to do. If I make mistakes, I make mistakes. If I find something I love and then realize I hate it, so be it. It's like the world is yours to conquer, you know? I really can't eat no more because I really starting to feel sick now. So, I'm going to wrap this food up. And honestly, let the family have it because it's not finna go in the trash. I don't have no napkins or nothing. Chicken tenders would have probably been good if I didn't get lemon pepper. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this somewhat mukbang type of thing. Y'all bear with me. It's my first one. Well, it's the first one I'm going to publish. I should have published one for my birthday. Y'all might get that eventually, but yeah, so if I was talking about something and it made no sense, that's my life half the time. Nothing makes sense. But yeah, we out this thing. We will see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it entertained you some type of way. Because honestly, I entertained myself. But yeah, out this thing, and we will see you next time.